After trying this recipe, you will not be making fish suya any other way. Hi faves, let's make the marinade. You're going to add some black pepper to a bowl, some seasoning, some paprika, some suya pepper, and some salt. You give this a thorough mix until it is well combined. Then you add some vegetable oil to this. You mix this until the oil and the marinade is well combined and our marinade is ready. You transfer the marinade to your already cleaned fish and you allow and ensure that the marinade is well incorporated in that fish. You leave it for about an hour. I'm going to be grilling this in my LG Neochef Microwave. One of the features I love about the LG Neochef Microwave is its charcoal lightning eater. It grills your fish just like you would on a charcoal. I'll take out the fish and flip to the other side and transfer back to the microwave for another 15 minutes. The whole process took about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes my fish was ready. This was so delicious and so yummy. Everyone is going to love it.